Dear students, in our previous classes we have discussed many more theorems regarding similarity of triangles. Here in this section we shall discuss about Pythagoras theorem and its converse theorem. So before going to Pythagoras theorem, one theorem is required to prove Pythagoras theorem. So let us prove this theorem. The statement is like this: if a perpendicular is drawn from the vertex of the right angle of a right angled triangle to the hypotenuse, then the triangles on both the sides of the perpendicular are similar to the whole triangle and to each other. So here triangle ABC is right angle triangle with right angle at B. So given in triangle ABC, angle B is equal to 90 degree and at BT is perpendicular to AC. Then to prove, we have to prove the triangles in the both the sides of the perpendicular. That means ADB triangle and BDC triangle. These two triangles are similar to triangle ABC and they are also similar to each other. So first one, triangle ADB is similar to triangle ABC. Then second one, triangle BDC is similar to triangle ABC. And third one, they are also similar. So triangle ADB is similar to triangle BDC. Then proof. So first we have to take these two triangles, triangle ADB and ABC. In triangle ADB and triangle ABC, ADB and triangle ABC. So angle A is common. Angle A is equal to angle A, common. Then angle ABC, this angle, and angle ADB, this angle is 90 degree. And angle ABC is equal to, so the angle ADB is equal to angle ABC, 90 degree. So we know if in two triangles, two angles are equal, then third angle must be equal due to angle sum property of a triangle. So this implies these two triangles are similar. So triangle ADB is similar to triangle ABC. So this is due to angle similarity. So let this is our equation 1. So again we will take in triangle BDC and triangle ABC. So here angle BDC angle and ABC angle is 90 degree. ABC is equal to 90 degree. And angle C is common in both the cases. Angle C is equal to angle C is common. So this implies, so third angle must be equal. So this implies triangle BDC is similar to triangle ABC. So this is our equation 2. So by comparing 1 and 2, we got the three triangles are congruent. Triangle ADB is similar to triangle ABC, is similar to triangle BDC. The three triangles are similar. So this implies triangle BDC is similar to triangle ADB. So due to, because comparing 1 and 2. So this is proved. Let us prove Pythagoras theorem. The statement of Pythagoras theorem is like this: in a right triangle, the square of the hypotenuse is equal to the sum of the squares of other two sides. So here I am taking ABC as right triangle with angle B is 90 degree. So given in triangle ABC, angle B is 90 degree. Then to prove, here hypotenuse is AC, so AC square is equal to AB square plus BC square. So So here construction is required. So I have already constructed this. So draw BD perpendicular to AC. So then prove. So by our previous theorem, we know that the triangle ADB is similar to triangle ABC. Triangle ADB is similar to triangle ABC by angle similar criterion. So this implies if two triangles are similar, then the proportion of their sides are equal. So AD by AB is equal to BD by BC is equal to AB by AC. So we have to take these two ratios. AD by AB is equal to AB by AC. So this implies AB square is equal to AD multiplied with AC. So this is our equation 1. So again we have proved in previous theorem that triangle BDC is similar to triangle ABC. So triangle BDC is also similar to triangle ABC by same condition, that is angle similarity condition. So this implies BD by AB is equal to CD by BC is equal to BC by AC. So here I have to take these two. So this implies BC square is equal to CD multiplied with AC. So this is our equation 2. So add 1 and 2. Adding 1 and 2. What we got? AB square plus BC square is equal to AD into AC plus CD into AC. So this is equal to AC is common, AD plus CD. So this is equal to AC into AC. So this is equal to AC square. So here in the left side, this is AB square plus BC square. So this is proved. So in this way, we can prove Pythagoras theorem by using the similarity of triangles. Here is your converse Pythagoras theorem. The statement is like this. In a triangle, if square of one side is equal to the sum of the square of other two sides, then the angle opposite to the first side is a right angle. So here I have drawn a triangle ABC here. So given in triangle ABC, AC square is equal to AB square plus BC square. And we have to prove angle B is equal to 90 degree. Then construction. I have already drawn the triangle. Construct a triangle. Construct a right triangle. PQR, angle where angle Q is 90 degree and AB is equal to PQ and BC is equal to QR. So here I have constructed angle Q is 90 degree, AB is equal to PQ and BC is equal to QR. Then proof. In triangle PQR, in right triangle PQR, we proved Pythagoras theorem. In a right triangle, the square of the hypotenuse is equal to the sum of the square of other two sides. So in triangle PQR, PR square is equal to PQ square plus QR square. But we have taken in our construction that PQ is equal to AB and QR is equal to BC. So this implies PR square is equal to AB square plus BC square by our construction. So, but it is given that, what is given here? AC square is equal to AB square plus BC square. But AC square is equal to AB square plus BC square. So from this above two statements, it is conclude that AC is equal to PR. AC square is equal to PR square. So this implies AC is equal to PR. We have proved here AC is equal to PR. So now we compare the two triangles ABC and PQR. So let this is one. So in triangle ABC and triangle PQR, AB is equal to PQ by our construction. Then BC is equal to Q1. This is also due to construction. And AC is equal to PR. So this is from 1. We proved this. So this implies triangle ABC is congruent to triangle PQR. So if two, by which condition? This is SSS congruent condition. So if two triangles are congruent, then their corresponding parts are equal. So this implies angle ABC is equal to angle PQR by CP. We have constructed angle PQR is 90 degree. So this implies angle ABC is 90 degree as angle PQR is 90 degree. So this is proved. So in this way we proved Pythagoras theorem and the converse of Pythagoras theorem. So in our next class we shall solve some problems by using Pythagoras theorem and converse Pythagoras theorem.